Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools keyword research platform, which is Surfer SEO and Mangools. So let's get started with the in-depth comparison and side-by-side review about these two keyword research platform. So let's get started. Surfer SEO in 2025 stand out as a keyword research tool tightly integrate with content optimization. It doesn't just show keywords data, it builds full content brief, analysis top ranking page, and gives real-time optimization score as you write for bloggers, agencies, and content team. So far is ideal because it ties keyword strategy directly to actionable on-page improvement, helping you create articles that are ready to rank. Mango, on the other hand, is a simpler and more budgeting friendly site built around KW Finder, SERP Watcher, and a link miner. KW Finder is praised for its clear difficulty scores, long tail keyword ideas, and easy to read metric, make it excellent for freelancers and small business. And here's my conclusion. In 2025, pick Surfer SEO if you want advanced keyword insight combined with powerful content optimization, but choose Mango if you prefer an optionable beginner-friendly keyword research tools to deliver solid data. And that's it.